This is lighting, but you know there is much more than you can see. Let's start from the beginning. Traditionally, purchasing lighting is not the simplest of processes, as there are many phases, many actors, and a lot of effort involved. At Greenled, we make the whole process easy for you and guarantee the best possible end result. But how can Greenled make such a promise? It all starts at your own premises, where we assess the current situation and the lighting requirements of your business. We then use our own lighting design expertise to design the solution based on your needs. The luminaires are manufactured at our factory in Finland, where we verify the quality and test each luminaire. Finally, our installation team installs the solution with minimum disturbance to your daily business. So you see, it's us taking care of the whole process from beginning to end, making sure you get the best lighting solution without spending your own time on project management. The easiest and most reliable way to obtain lighting. Greenled, lighting as a turnkey service.